Unlocking the mystery: how to calculate the ratio. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and make learning an enjoyable journey. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a phrase that often pops up in math, science, and everyday life. Calculate the ratio. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about English language nuances, understanding how to interpret and use this phrase is incredibly useful. So, let's get started and explore the world of ratios together. Before we dive into the calculations, let's first understand what a ratio is. A ratio is a way to show the relationship between two numbers or quantities, indicating how much of one thing there is compared to another. For instance, if you have 2 apples and 3 oranges, the ratio of apples to oranges is 2 to 3. The phrase, calculate the ratio, simply means determining the relationship between two or more quantities in this comparative format. It's a foundational concept in mathematics that has real-world applications in cooking, budgeting, analyzing data, and more. Calculating a ratio can be straightforward. Here are the basic steps. 1. Identify the quantities you want to compare. 2. Count each quantity to know their values. 3. Divide one quantity by the other to find the ratio. 4. Simplify the ratio if possible, to its lowest terms. For example, if you want to calculate the ratio of 10 cats to 5 dogs, you divide 10 by 5, resulting in a ratio of 2 to 1, cats to dogs. Let's put our knowledge into practice with some real-life scenarios. Cooking. If a recipe calls for 4 cups of flour and 2 cups of sugar, the ratio of flour to sugar is 4 to 2, which simplifies to 2 to 1. Budgeting. If you earn $2,000 a month and spend $500 on rent, the ratio of your rent to your income is 500 to 2,000, which simplifies to 1 to 4. Classroom setting. If there are 20 students, 10 boys, and 10 girls, the ratio of boys to girls is 1 to 1. Understanding how to calculate the ratio is not just about dealing with numbers. It's about interpreting the world around us in a more analytical and precise way. Whether you're measuring ingredients for a cake, planning your finances, or analyzing data, ratios are incredibly useful tools. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of ratios and how they can be calculated and applied in various contexts. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.